Hello, today in this video we are going to prune your aquarium plants. Normally, it is enough to cut the plants where you like them to grow again. After cutting a few times, the stems of the plant become weak and old, and it is necessary to replace them with younger stems. In this video, we are going to replace younger stems with old stems and give a new design to the aquarium. Let's go! First of all, we cut the plants that we want to prune from the part that has healthier stems with scissors. Of course, be careful not to damage other plants. Try to prune each plant separately so that you don't get into trouble when planting. Now the turn of the next plant. And again. Put the plants in a bucket and pour aquarium water on them so that the plants do not get damaged. Now we have to pull the remaining stem and roots out of the soil. Try to do this with patience because the more you rush, the more muddy the water becomes. We turn on the water purification pump so that the water is cleaned faster. While the water is being purified, we select young plants and homogenize them.
Two hours later.
Well, we can see that the water became clearer. Now it's time to empty some of the aquarium water. We mark the place of planting each plant with small pieces of wood. We carefully plant each plant in the place we specified. The last thing is to try to remove the roots at least once a year and plant young plants in order to have a fresh aquarium. Thanks for watching this video till the end.